Alright, stop, these guys.
And I'm gonna do my video. You're being crazy, guys. Okay. There was a bird that would not sleep. I'm not tired, bird said as the sun turned pink and then the sky turned dark. Sleep, said the sun. You need to rest. Now close your eyes and get in your nest. Well, I'm not tired, bird said, and he looked up in the sky, and then the moon came out. Sleep, said the moon. You're a bird. You're not a bat. And then you have to close your eyes, and then you have to get in your nest. And I'm tired. And that owl woke up, and then the stars came out. Sleep, said the stars, and close your beak and get in your nest. I'm not tired, bird said, and then he closed his eyes and began to snore. The end.
Oh, bravo! Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
And this
Have
was.
a good night.
And what was this? This was called Story Time with
Good night, bird.
Good Night Bird. That's a great book. Say bye.
Bye.